Welcome back, everybody. It's Joey again. You're watching Vegas D-Tech. Got another Lake Mead water report for you for this week. And today, guys, we're going to be out here at the Arroyo Grande Sport Complex. I'm actually in one of the overflow wash areas right here. This park here serves as a dual purpose park. When it floods, this low-lying area right here will become flooded, and all of the wash water from the community will flow into this area and flow out the way. But during the summer months, if there's no water and so forth, then this becomes a complete playground. We got 8 baseball diamonds, 4 on the upper half, 4 on the lower half here. We got a BMX bike track and everything out here. So it's a dual purpose park, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get into the Lake Mead water report for you today, but I'm gonna go ahead and send up the bird and let her do her thing while we continue on with this report. All right, guys, we're back. So you know what? I would be lying if I told you that it wasn't hot out here today, because it's definitely hot. We're finally shooting back up over 90. I think today was like 92 or something like that. I mean, it's a far cry from the, you know, the 49 and 59 degrees that I normally report to you at. A lot of people that I've been speaking to have asked me, do you think that we'll be able to like escape the heat of a Las Vegas summer because of this, you know, El Nino weather situation? And sadly, I told them no. I said, in the entire time that I've lived out here in Las Vegas, which has been since 1984, there's guaranteed going to be 3 full months of 100-degree hot temperatures, that's for sure. But anyways, guys, we're just out here at the cool little bike track, as you see they got out here for the kids. And yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the water report. So currently today's water report over at Lake Mead, the level, guys, is 1,047.17 feet. And you know, like I said, we were supposed to have lost all 7 feet of that water, and we didn't. We kept all of it, and it's all because of the precipitation that we got in all the rains. And if we take a look at the water level over at Lake Powell, we got 3,525.31 feet. And man, they are absolutely also gaining a whole bunch of water. Guys, this is a great thing, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my laptop, because I have a lot of data points that I want to go over with you and some graphs. So let's get into that, and then once we're done with that, we'll come back out here, we'll talk a little bit more, and then we'll wrap up. Alrighty, guys, so taking a look at the Lake Mead water level report, 1,047.16 feet. Let's take a look at these graphs right here, guys. So we've seen right here in the 2021 graph, the height of the year here, 1,087, and you could see that slope off, right? We lost probably around 6-7 feet that year. And then the following year here in 2022, the same thing. You know, height of the water year 1,067, and at this time right here 1,056. So we lost about 9 feet, like 7 feet in 21 and 9 feet in 22. But take a look at 2023, right? The height of this water year here was 1,047. Now they had anticipated we were going to be sloping down just like all these guys, this big old slide here, playground slide. But look at it. It didn't move at all. It actually 1,047.64, and right now we're at 1,047.16, so less than 1 foot differential till today, man. No downhill slope yet, no downhill slide. And they are anticipating, Water Authority says that right now, the way things are looking with the flows, they expect to see 33 feet of gain. 33 feet of gain. What would that put us at? If it were 1,040, 50, 70? They're going to see this graph go up to here? You think? Do you really think that we're going to see this graph go up to here? That is one mighty prediction, man. I don't know about all that, but you're going to be here. I'm going to be here. We're going to be together here to see just how that thing is going to look, if that's going to come true or not. But let's take a look at the data. So the data at Lake Mead shows that for the past 14 days, Out of 14 days, we had 2 negative integers there, but we're talking about 4/10 and 5/10. That's like nothing, guys. But take a look at the rest of the stuff here, man. All in the green, okay? Now let's take a look at these inflow numbers. 19,000, 17, 16, 19, 17 coming in, okay? And going out 13. So 17,000 cubic feet going out yesterday, 13,000 going out today. So we're putting away some water. It gives us this right here. Yesterday, 17.7, we gave out 18, so just a little bit more than we got in, so that gave us that -5. But as you see, the rest of these dates right here in the green, okay? So 18 giving out 16, 18 giving out 14, 15 giving out 12. So when you've got that differential there, guys, we're going to be stacking up. But dude, Lake Mead does not look as good as Powell. Now, take a look at what Powell is. Look, the health of Lake Mead is completely relying on the health of Powell. So if we take a look at Powell's data right here, Powell, 3,525.31. Now, guys, take a look at these grids right here. Take a look at this data chart. This is in 2021. Look at how it sloped from the height of the water year, how it just fell off, right, to where we are today. And then take a look at 2022, the same situation. We started off low in the year, and it just got lower. You know what I mean? It was just dismal. Look at this year, guys. Take a look at that blue chart down here for 2023. From the height of the water year, it just started doing like a minimal slope, and then all of a sudden, boom! Look at that. We've crossed over. We've crossed over from the low last year to the height this year. It just crossed over each other, guys. And they're anticipating, Water Authority is anticipating a 44-foot gain of water. 44. That would put us like up here, man. Are we really going to see this thing climb like that? I mean, that is what they're saying. That's just enough water is coming in to make that happen. You know what? They may have a point here, guys. Let me show you why. So, guys, let's take a look at Lake Powell's data. Okay, so looking at Lake Powell's water database, let's take a look at the numbers right here for the past 14 days. Now, folks, we have always been used to seeing Lake Powell have these numbers in the red like this, because anytime she starts to get a little bit of water, she ends up having to give it up and just send it out to Lake Mead. You know, so we've always seen these sad numbers, you know, 2 inches down, 0.7, 1.4 inches down. But take a look at what's been going on here. The past 10 days, 1.6 inches up, 3 inches up, 6 inches up, 5.9 up, 6.3 up, 6 inches up, 5 inches up, 6 inches up. But guys, this is absolutely unheard of. Now let's come over here to the flows, inflows. We are normally used to seeing 8,000 cubic feet coming in. Then I seen it jump from 8 to 11. Then I seen it jump from 11 to 18. Then from 18 to 21 to 27. But look at this, man. The inflow here has jumped to 33 cubic feet per second coming in, guys. 30s, man. 30s. I have never seen numbers like this come in. And we are at the start of the spring melt of water, you know, coming into Powell here. Take a look at the outflows, guys. Normally the outflows are 15, 10, 10, 10. But now take a look at the outflows as you compare here. If we're getting, if Lake Powell's getting 8 and they're kicking out 12, of course they're going to amount to the red. If they get 8 and they kick out 10, of course it's going to amount to the red. But look at this. 18, they kick out 12. 27, they kick out 9. 30,000 cubic feet coming in, 12,000 going out. Bro, this is absolutely unheard of. 29 today, 29,000 cubic feet coming in, 9,000 going out, guys. And all of this stuff right here is adding up to all this great water. And like they say, they are anticipating 44 feet of water gain this year at Lake Powell. And we're averaging 3.5 inches a day of gain. Beautiful thing. Look at these flows here, guys. 23,000 average, 23,000 cubic feet coming in, 12,000 cubic feet going out. So less than half going out, guys. So that just means that Powell's going to be storing up some water. Beautiful. Yeah, guys. So, you know, my question is, are we going to take this year seriously as we did the last couple of years? Even though the water is good this year, are we just going to take the year off and just be lackadaisy about it and just let whatever be whatever? Are we still going to be wasteful and not negotiate water, you know, contracts and make adjustments where they need to while the water is good, while we're not sweating, while we're not in drought and having to deal with all of this dry, parched desert? can we take this year and utilize the time and the blessings that we've had in a wet year? I mean, hey, look, you know what? The bottom line is prepare for the worst, expect it, you know? You know, if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, but you were prepared for it, right? And what people need to understand is, you know, people moving out to Las Vegas, I mean, Vegas is turning into another California. Everybody's moving from somewhere else coming into this area, and they don't realize, man, they're moving into the Mojave Desert. You know what I mean? Yes, Vegas likes to advertise itself as an oasis, but the reality is it's a town in the middle of the desert that wasn't even supposed to be here. And people that move here have to understand that things are going to be different. Depending on where they came from, water may have been nothing. You may not have thought about water. You know, you wouldn't think twice about it. But out here you have to, because from 1 minute to the next, it could just turn from luscious green and rain and floods to just straight fish dead ponded out at the lake. But anyways, guys, that's about all I have for you today. If you guys found any of this information beneficial, useful, or entertaining, or you like videos like this, do me a kindness and hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell if you like videos like this, so that the YouTube algorithm would know that you like it and that they will continue to forward videos like mine over to your home channel so that you can watch them. All right, so guys, thank you once again for tuning in to another Lake Mead Weekly Water Report. I'm Joey, you're watching Vegas D-Tech. I'm gonna get out of here, get this video edited and sent over to you. You guys be well. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take it easy.